Good day. In this question, we will be writing the balanced molecular equation and write the net ionic equation with the physical states of the compounds. So here we have a reaction between potassium carbonate, which is K2CO3, that is aqueous, plus strontium nitrate, aqueous, will form strontium carbonate solid plus potassium nitrate aqueous. So the balance equation here is we have 2K here. So therefore, let us put 2 here and we have NO3. So this is our balance equation. Molecular